Okay, so I found this post on Stack Overflow because I noticed that on my Firestore database, it says this project is set up to use Cloud Firestore in data store mode. This mode can only be accessed from the Google Cloud Console. I searched this entire thing on Google. I found this Stack Overflow website and the answer, I mean, and there the person suggests that you would need to actually just go to this link which leads me here, not here exactly. um, I just clicked on this and basically it leads me here, and what happens is that when I click on the default button, it leads me to this screen, and they have suggested that you would need to switch to native mode in order to work, so provided that you have not actually added any data store database value. So since your database is empty, you can do this. So let's just do that. We do switch to native board, switch modes, and hopefully it should work now. And if I go here now, if I refresh, okay, so yeah, this thing is built now, and it says the cloud firestore api is not available. Why would you say that though? Let's just search this up as well. So how about I search this up? So it asks us for a few things. um what about I try creating query builder? Not this. Okay, it gives me this now. Let's just refresh it once. Okay, so it gives us this start collection by itself. So hopefully the error has gone. So crazy thing is that when I was trying to build the app on my own, I did not face this issue, but this is the first time I've actually faced this issue with Firebase, that the Firestore wasn't working. So let's just close these extra helping links and we would actually retry our sign up functionality now. So let's just see what happens. And just for the authentication sake, I think we actually have a second email now, which we don't really need. So we can have a delete account here. And let's go to the Firestore database again. And now we would just go. Okay, so it signed it up perfectly. That's good for us. But then let's do it in a proper manner now. So, how about we have third at the rate gmail.com. I'm just using numbers to keep track of like how many attempts it took us to, get this thing working. So it's password 3. We do a sign up and hopefully it should work now. Wait, it just gave us missing or insufficient permissions. Okay, that's new. Let's see rules. Develop and test. So I remember we had for authentication, we had some rules. Not for authentication, I think we had for storage. So let's just go to rules and something like this. So you could just copy this out. If we can just copy this entire thing out, we just go back to our Firestore database now. We have rules. Uh, and we can cross this out. We can enter this and we can do publish. And does it publish? Yeah, so publish changes. How about we create start a collection, users, next, document ID something, and save something something. It created that, so we could just delete this collection now. Typing in users, we deleted this thing. Now hopefully it should work. So now this would be our indexes usage. I don't think so we have some sort of a, hopefully it should work now. I don't think so we need to enable it or somehow. Let's just do a sign up with a new email, because authentication will give us error now because it has already been registered. So let's do password 4. We do sign up and it works. So it says the operation could not be completed. So let's just check it here if it's actually creating our user documents or not. Okay. So yeah, here we go. We are actually we have actually configured Firestore database. The users are being created, email and user ID is being populated, and we can reference this user with the same user ID as inside of it. This is a very crucial step in the entire process because we would be referencing post, followers, followings via this user ID. So this is an important step. And now that we have done this much, success in creating the user. So good for us. Now we could actually start building the UI a bit to make this look more presentable, and then we can move on to adding the other functionalities. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.